is lower. Ice diving is brilliant because your heart rate comes down within minutes. So, the science. There is a reflex we have. You know, reflexes, like when the doctor hits your knee and you kick them, right? We have a reflex in our body called the dive reflex. It is what allows people to fall through frozen lakes and survive. Because when you hit cold water and hold your breath, your heart rate slows down automatically to help preserve your life. It slows down everything that's happening in your body. Your digestion slows down. You're sending blood to your fingers and your toes. It just gives you the very basics of staying alive. So we can use this reflex to help us stay effective when we're anxious or when we're angry. Think about any of those emotions that cause your heart rate to increase. When your heart rate increases, it sends a signal to your brain that everything is terrible and you should be thinking about how terrible everything is. When your heart rate calms down, it then calms down your brain. So we can use our body to regulate our emotions and regulate our thoughts. So, this works in approximately a minute, 2 minutes. You can do it everywhere. It is best to do it with a whole bucket of water, a whole bucket of water, because you can hold your breath and get your face in up to your temples and hold your breath in there. If you do not have a bucket of ice available, let's say you are in math class and there's no bucket of ice available, you can go to the bathroom, hold your breath, and splash cold water in your face. It will not be as effective as the bucket of cold water, but it will still work. So, there are a couple restrictions. If you have like a heart issue, you probably should not do this because it will slow your heart rate down. The other thing is if you were to have like severe anorexia or anything that puts your heart in danger, you also should not do this. But everyone else should probably be okay to do it. In the future, today, I'm sorry, we might end up with a little bit of brain freeze because this is more ice than I would generally suggest putting in the bucket. Stick your face in up to the temples right here and stay in as long as you can. Notice your heart rate and notice if you notice it changing while we're doing this. Again, you might get a little bit of